Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Satya Priya. Today I've got an incredible story for you. Imagine painting a masterpiece, not with a brush, but with a typewriter. Yes, you heard that right. Meet Rajesh Kumar, the artist who has transformed the mundane typewriter into a tool of creative genius. Born and raised in a small village in Kerala, Rajesh always had a passion for art. But his journey took an unexpected turn when he stumbled upon an old typewriter in his attic. Instead of discarding it, Rajesh saw potential. He began experimenting, typing characters and symbols in a way that slowly started to form intricate and detailed images. His first creation? A stunning portrait of Mahatma Gandhi, crafted entirely with keystrokes. Rajesh's unique art form quickly gained attention. People were captivated by his ability to create such detailed and expressive works using nothing but letters, numbers, and punctuation marks. He calls it typographic art. But it's not just about the final product. The process itself is mesmerizing. Each keystroke is deliberate, each symbol carefully chosen. It's a dance between man and machine, a blend of tradition and innovation. Rajesh's work reminds us that art has no boundaries. It teaches us to see beauty in the unexpected and to find creativity in the most unlikely places. So next time you come across an old typewriter, remember Rajesh Kumar and his amazing typographic art. Thanks for watching. And if you found this story as inspiring as I did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more incredible stories. Keep creating, keep inspiring. Catch you in the next video.